Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you an kind of unboxing and review of my beautiful new bag, and this bag is the first bag off of my wish list for 2021. I finally got the Alma BB and habe, bin. So if you want to know an unboxing, kind of how to wear it, what fits inside, things like that, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I actually unboxed this bag already on Instagram, so if you want to know like short unboxings of things I buy, then follow me on Instagram, and also tell me if you want like what's in my bag videos, like really short ones for bags that that I own on Instagram. I don't know if that would be helpful, but definitely follow me on Instagram. I will leave my handle down below. And I was so excited. I couldn't wait. Like, I wanted to film this video on Sunday, but I really need my boyfriend's help. Otherwise, the video quality wouldn't be as good as it is, if I can say so myself. I don't know. But yeah, I couldn't film it, so I couldn't wait any longer, and I unboxed it already, but I wrapped it back up for you guys, and you're gonna have like an unboxing experience. So I'm gonna unbox the box, and I'm gonna show you what it came with, how I bought it, and things like that. Yeah, this is like the little tab. There's just like a greeting card in there, and let's undo the ribbon, and then it obviously is just like the normal Louis Vuitton box, and inside it of course came with a big dust bag. And then it also came with a small dust bag for the little lock, and this is so cute. I think I've never gotten one of these dust bags, even though like my Speedy has a little lock like this, but I don't know if I got like this back then. I'm not sure. And then I have the invoice. Okay, actually I'm gonna start off with some historical facts. So this bag was first introduced in 1924, so almost 100 years ago, and it was the second handbag after the Speedy bag. So I own both of the most classic handbags there are by Louis Vuitton. So this silhouette has been around for almost 100 years. It's 23 centimeters wide at the widest part, so down here 17.5 centimeters high, and on the deepest level it's 11.5 centimeters deep. So this is kind of the technicalities of this bag. It is in the habe, bin. It also comes in the monogram. I had to decide between those two, but if you guys have ever seen the monogram, I will pop a picture. It's with all the cheddar leather down here and on the handles and everywhere, and the strap, and I just couldn't deal with it. I would be too scared. So this bag is super carefree, whereas the monogram one would be like really hard to maintain beautifully. So that was kind of my thought process. Plus I already own 2 monogram bags and only one habe, bin piece, so I thought, why not add another bin piece? If I go for that logic, I would not need to get an azure piece next. But yeah, actually I'm quite in Louis Vuitton bag heaven at the moment. Like, I don't feel like I have any other bag on my wish list right now other than a pochette accessoire, which is technically not a bag, so that would work. But yeah, so this is the habe, bin. It also has a beautiful red interior like my Speedy bag has. It has this beautiful shoulder strap that is not adjustable, and I would say it's pretty long. I will insert mud shots of me wearing it. I'm 167 centimeters for reference. Then it has this beautiful tab. If you slide that up a little bit, you will see that the keys for the lock are just in here. So this little thing says Louis Vuitton Paris right here, and then you have the beautiful handles, which the hooks are hooked on. And actually, I don't know if you can tell, but you hook the hook. There is like an additional little gold like D-ring in here, so you can hook it here and on the other side as well. So that makes it sit really nicely on your body. And then it just comes with a double zip, so you basically zip it all the way up to the top if you wanted to close it. So let me do that. And I just attached the lock because I feel like it looks super cute and super awesome. So this is how it would look like from the top with the lock, and I feel like it looks super cute and super neat. So yeah, this is basically how it looks when you just like wear it across the body. So I really like this bag. It's a lot wider on the bottom, and it of course has feet and this beautiful really shiny leather. And then I don't know if you guys ever saw this, but the made in thing is right here. So my piece is made in France. And then in the inside pocket, I'm actually keeping all of the little papers that it comes with. So this is kind of the little card thingy, and I think this is for like if you want to send it back, like the date code or something like that. So yeah, where's the date code? I don't know at the moment, but yeah. So this is kind of the rundown of this bag and kind of historical facts. So as you guys know, I got this in the habe. I paid 1,100 euros for it. The same for the matte monogram. It also comes in epi leather, where it retails for 1,270 euros. It also comes in vernis leather, where it retails for 1,460 euros. And it also comes in an empreinte leather, where it retails for 1,680 euros. And it also comes in seasonal bags, like seasonal pieces, where you can choose between like different color straps and things like that. They're kind of quirky but also fun. And then it also comes in crocodile leather, which is like 14K. So yeah, I feel like it's a very casual bag. It's a very good everyday bag, and it just works really well with like daytime outfits, but it also transitions beautifully at night, so you could clip off these hooks with no problem, and definitely use the strap on other items as well. I wanted to show you really quickly while I'm on it, because obviously I have all of my stuff that I wanted to fit inside here. So I have my mini pochette here, so I wanted to share with you how that will look with the Alma BB strap, and I feel like that works beautifully. So this is how that would look like, and you could wear it like so. So I just wanted to share that with you, because I feel like the thickness of the strap is really nice for the mini pochette as well. So just something to show you guys while I'm on it. So yeah, I wanted to start off, or I wanted to like do this video by showing you what can fit inside. I would definitely try and show you how I arranged it. So I would probably start off with my mini pochette, which is then the biggest thing that I would put into this bag. So I will put my mini pochette in here, so you can see it fits really nicely. And then you could definitely fit a bottle of water as well if you wanted to. So I have a bottle of iced tea, but yeah, so you could definitely put a bottle of water in here as well. That fits at the bottom. I just don't know if it distorts the shape too much, so you would have to see that. And then I would definitely need my phone, so that's my iPhone XS. And then my keys, so this is my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and that would close nicely. You could also have like a small little thin card holder as well, and you could do that. It distorts the shape a little bit, but just so you guys know, a water bottle would fit in there. I just don't know if I would take a water bottle, honestly, so I'm just gonna pop it out and just leave my mini pochette in here, leave my phone and my 6-ring key holder. What I would take is definitely a couple of things. So I would definitely try and keep my sunglasses in here and my little car key. And then definitely I would need my wallet as well. And that would be like, I would need to rearrange it. The problem with this bag is because it's so big, I would actually like vertically the items, because I feel like that works a lot better. So yeah, and maybe you should just put the sunglasses in like that, or in like a soft case, so that would work beautifully. And then of course we need a mask. So yeah. So this is how I would wear it, and this is how also I have worn it before. It all fits very beautifully. So I'm gonna share with you really quickly what I put inside. I'm gonna open that up, and you can open it widely and see inside. So the first thing is my mask. The second thing is my pair of sunnies. So these are the Ray-Ban Clubmasters, oldie but a goodie. Then I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch and my Louis Vuitton clay, like 6-ring key holder. And then I definitely need my phone, and I have my wallet. And finally we have the mini pochette. So all of that fits in here. I feel like that's pretty good for a mini bag. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you that this bag is definitely big enough to carry all of your essentials. And then because I always do that, I try and fit my umbrella, and I think this will definitely fit as well. Yeah, so the umbrella and the mini pochette, my wallet, my phone, and my keys. And I guess you wouldn't need sunglasses for if you have an umbrella. So this is the bag full with my umbrella inside. So keys, wallet, mini pochette, and umbrella. And then I also wanted to share with you that my agenda, for example, would fit. So if you had like a small agenda from Louis Vuitton or any small agenda, it definitely fits, no problem at all. It doesn't take up any space because yeah, it just fits in there perfectly, which I really like. So yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna share with you really quickly what fits in, or what is in my mini pochette, so you can kind of see like how full I packed it. So it looks like this. So I have a pen, a nail file, some gum, some tampons, another pen, some gum, and a lip gloss and some tissue. So this is how full this is. So this is pretty full as well. So just to give you guys like a heads up. And now to finish this video, I kind of wanted to share with you some ways to also wear it. So definitely, obviously you could wear it on the crook of your arm like this. So I'm gonna get up. So you could wear it like this, or of course handheld, which is definitely very nice for like nighttime. But also one way that I thought I would wear this is with like a little chain like this. I got this from one of my fake bags that I got for the purpose of a fake versus real video. The quality is very crappy, but I feel like you can't really tell if it's underneath your shoulder. But I thought this would be super cute and also super different to wear it like this and wear it underneath the shoulder. Yeah, like I said, I just have the chain strap. You could definitely also wear it like this. But yeah, I just thought it would be really cute with this one as well, and also something different. Or you could also like have this dangling down like this to, I don't know, give it a different kind of look. Although I feel like you don't really need to dress up this bag because it's already like with the lock and with this little leather thing. I also feel like it's already kind of juiced up a little bit, so this is kind of like a thing. And then obviously you have the leather strap. Like I said, I'm 167 centimeters. So for me, honestly, I feel like it's a tiny bit too long to wear across the shoulder. I will show you. I mean, it's okay, but I much prefer it to wear it across the body. I feel like it works a lot better. So yeah, this is kind of like all of the ways I would wear it. So definitely without the strap, and then maybe put the strap inside too if you would need it. Then definitely as a crossbody bag, and also with the gold chain. I thought that was a good idea and looked really good, and also worked with the back, so I really like that. I feel like this bag is really, just carefree, really classic. You can't really go wrong with the Alma BB, so I'm really happy about my purchase. I really like it. I think it's gorgeous, super handy as well, because it fits a lot of stuff in here and it's just well loved. I feel like This is pretty well priced for Louis Vuitton at the moment, because I feel like you get a lot, like you get the strap, you get the lock, you get this little thingy right here, and it just makes it a lot more luxurious than, for example, my Nano Speedy. I will definitely do a comparison of these two bags, because actually I feel like there is some demand of a comparison of these bags, so I will definitely make sure to do that. If you like this video and if you like unboxings, then please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you for my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!